Atlas Photo App Spot Finder. Find stunning photo spots. Find the best photo spots worldwide. So you can see in here how to use Atlas Photo. Answer photography questions to customize location recommendations specifically for you. Get personalized photo spot suggestions. Experience a new way to scout, plan, and capture breathtaking photos. Atlas Photo isn't another complicated photography. Instead, we leverage AI-driven insights, professional expertise, and real-world environmental data to deliver precise, reliable recommendations. Our mission is to empower every photographer, helping you capture more stunning shots and enjoy every moment behind the lens. So this is kind of the idea. And then, yeah, you can find the best spots for some the most Instagrammable shots, view lighting and shadow conditions, predict ideal conditions and forecasts, share your favorite photos, get inspired by community. So let's just take a look. And you can just see where did you hear. So it's a lot onboarding. Then you can just and then you just need to sign up. And then they want you to upgrade $40 per year. And you can save reminder, but then there is 3-day free trial to continue, or monthly there is like $15 per month. So that's what you're getting. But then there is a free version where you might get something like this. So Paris Christiansborg Palace, Drown Tower. So all kinds of interesting spots. So yeah, and then for example, you can just see it in here. And then you can just, if you wanna go to that spot and see all of the details, then you need to upgrade. And as you can see, that's what you see. So yeah, quite cool idea, but yeah, unfortunately everything is paid. So that's what you can use.